7929 Cherry River. We have Rocks Desert Landscaping stamped concrete in the front. No wood frame around the garage door, which is a good thing because that's one less thing to maintain. Let's head inside. One thing that I noted is we have a lot of the correct blinds already in place. Plus we have the paper arched fans already in place in at least 2 of the bedrooms, which is nice. Front door needs to be painted, but I think we can keep these. So rekey on the deadbolt and the door handle. The paint seems pretty good throughout. The cabinets have been painted, so you see like little specks where the paint is wearing off. So it looks like I see all the verticals in place. The verticals actually look fine to me. We have concrete that's already down, which is fantastic. But this would be a bit of rock that needs to go back here. Maybe remove that satellite? Probably want to figure out what's going on with the doggy door. Okay, so it was closed up on this side. This is a beautiful stone mantle. You have the correct 2.5 inch forward blinds. Some built-in shelves here, which we probably wouldn't install, but if they're already there, we'll get Jenny's opinion. We may want a gooseneck faucet there. We already have a space saver microwave in place. Might have to adjust some of the cabinet doors. This one's a little bit crooked, and there needs to be a cabinet repair upstairs. These cabinets have been painted as well, so you do see the areas where there's a little bit of chipping or flaking, which is normal when you paint these cabinets. Looks like we have a pan and 2 earthquake straps already in place, but we'll have the inspector note if it's installed properly. Okay, let's head upstairs. Carpet looks good, paint looks good. I don't think we need window treatments here. The fan looks good. So this is the master. We have the blinds. They seem to be functional. We'll want to replace the light bulbs and the fan. Tile upstairs. Great. Correct blinds. We need a shower rod. We need the property manager's opinion on that. Shower head. So I think we need to replace this sink. And I'm going to go ahead and put this sink down too, just so they match. And I hope we can keep the same water fixtures, the faucets. So these cabinets, just like the others, are painted. We want to replace all interior locking doorknobs, which are all 3. This room seems fine, just replace the doorknobs. We have the closet rod in place, carpet's fine. We have the paper arch fan, which is great. We have a smoke detector in that room. And this one, I don't know if they both work or not. That's an older one, the other one's newer. We have a closet rod in place already. So obviously that cabinet needs to be repaired. Need a shower rod. Maybe some caulking. Okay.